Hello friend, I am Amol Raut, Assistant Professor BCC Department of GS College of Commerce Wardha. I am going to teach you Visual Basic Programming. Firstly, you know what is the syllabus of the Visual Basic, which are learned in the Visual Basic. In the first unit, you learn the introduction of the Visual Basic. In the introduction of the Visual Basic, advantages, features, which features are provided by the Visual Basic, Visual Basic window components, menu bar, standard toolbar, project explorer, toolbox, working with the form, how to work with the Visual Basic form, which extension is used in the Visual Basic form, which functions are provided in the file, properties, various types of the events are provided in the Visual Basic, various types of the controls are provided by the Visual Basic, label control, command button control, text box control, option button control, checkbox control, list box control. These controls are used in the Visual Basic window application development. These controls are used in the various types of the Windows application development. In the second unit, you are learning the basic programming fundamental, scope of the variable, various types of the operator, arithmetic, bitwise operator. These operators are you learn in the C and C++ syllabus, decision structure, loop structure, arrays, working with procedures and the functions. Various types of the functions are provided in the Visual Basic. Menus, how to create the menus, working with the custom control, how to create the custom control, image list control, tree view control, list view control, the toolbar control. These controls are also beneficial in the Windows application development. In the third unit, you learn creating MDI application. MDI means multiple document interface. At that time, multiple documents are created in the Visual Basic. Database handling, Visual Basic provided the features of the database handling, creating the database, accessing the database by using the ADO data control. ADO means active data control. ADO data control working with advanced data control, data list control, data combo control, data grid control. These controls are used in the connections of the database with Windows applications of the Visual Basic. In the fourth unit, debugging technique, error handling, various types of the errors, runtime errors. These types of the errors are you are learn in the error handling, tools of debugging, how to debug the errors, handling the runtime error, working with the data environment, data reports, data environment, how to create the data reports in the Visual Basic. Data report controls are used in the how to use the data report control in Visual Basic, creating and the printings of the report, how to print the reports, how to create the report. These types of the whole syllabus of the Visual Basic. And the pattern of the Visual Basic paper, the same you know in the C++ and C subject. First question is 2 marks question. In the 2 marks question is compulsory question. Ask the 8 questions. Two questions from the first unit, and second unit from the 2 question, third unit from the 2 question, and the fourth unit. And the second question is compulsory 3 mark question. In the 2 questions from the first unit, 2 questions from the second unit, and the 2 questions from the third unit, and the same for the fourth from the fourth unit, 2 questions from the fourth unit. And the question number 3 is 5 marks question. Question number 3 is asked from the first unit, two questions for the 5 marks, and the OR question is 10 marks. And the same pattern in question number 4 is from the second unit, 5 marks questions, and B is 5 marks question, and the OR is 10 mark question. And the same from the question number 5 is from the third unit, same 5 marks question from A, B, and OR is 10 mark question. And question number 6 is from fourth unit is same A and B is 5 marks question, and OR is 10 mark question. This is the pattern of the paper of the RTO Mini provided pattern is 80 marks paper, 3 hours time duration is, and the 6 questions is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6, and the time duration is 3 marks. And next go to the what is Visual Basic, introductions of the Visual Basic. In the last year you learned the C and C++. Both languages were the DOS based languages. Both languages are not provided any GUI based applications and window applications. Not possible to create any window applications. Not possible to provide any graphical user interface application. These disadvantages are possible in the C and C++. But in the Visual Basic provided the GUI based applications. Visual Basic is developed by the Microsoft Corporation in 1991. The Visual Basic provided the first version is 1.0 in 1991 and the last version is 6.01. Visual means method used to create GUI applications. Basic means beginners the all-purpose symbolic instruction code that is developed by the John Kami in 1964. VB is evolved from the basic language. V means the visually graphically user interface applications is provided. Object oriented features is provided. Modularized features is provided. Object oriented in any objects is you created. Database handling features is provided. Modularization is provided. Macro ID. These types of the various types of the features is provided in the Visual Basic. And the Visual Basic is totally user-friendly programming language designed for the beginner, anyone to develop graphical user interface application easily. In this platform, easily any Windows application with database easily develop. This is the first sessions of the introductory sessions of the Visual Basic. Here they close the first session. In the next session, you see the advantages of the Visual Basic and the features of the Visual Basic. Thank you.